Let me show you how to blend lightning in Photoshop. First, go to File, Place Embedded, and place Second Image. Change the blend mode to Screen. Drag top and bottom handle to resize and position the image. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Click the FX icon and choose the outer glow. Click the color box. In the color picker, I'll type in 01065A. And then press OK. The blend mode, Screen. The opacity, 50%. And the size, 103 pixels. Press OK when you're finished. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Go to Image, and Apply Image. Under the layer, select Merged. The channel, RGB. And the blending, Multiply. Then click OK. Open your brush tool. Click the foreground color, and make sure black. Then press OK. And paint with black to erase the extras. Select the top layer, then press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to copy merge all layers. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, and open Camera Raw Filter. Click Basic. I'll make temperature, -11. The tint, -8. The contrast, +14. The highlights, +16. The shadow, +12. The whites, +25. The blacks, -10. The texture, +11. The clarity, +7. The dehaze, +11. The vibrance, +9. And the saturation, -8. Then click OK. And that's it. Hope you liked it.